What if every tab you have open right now was feeding an AI? No copy paste, no switching between apps, just one command, and it handles the rest. Google just dropped a massive update to Gemini in Chrome, and the best part is it is completely free to use. Hey everyone, it is Paul here. If this is your first time on the channel, here's what I do. I cover free AI tools that give freelancers and small business owners real leverage. The kind of leverage that used to cost hundreds of dollars a month. So if you are building a business without a big budget, stick around. Because today we are breaking down one of the most powerful free updates Google dropped this year. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you Go High Level, because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Now here is the thing about how most people work online. You open a bunch of tabs, you read through different pages, you jump to a document to take notes, then you switch to your email to follow up on something, then you need an image, so you open another app entirely. Every one of those context switches burns your time and focus. For anyone running a freelance business or a small agency, that adds up fast. And here is what made it even worse until very recently. Most AI tools did not actually understand what was happening in your browser. You had to manually copy and paste everything into a chat window, just to get something useful out of it. Google just flipped that completely with this new update. I call what they built here the Active Context Protocol. Here is what that means in plain terms. Every tab you have open becomes live context for your AI. You do not need to copy anything. You do not need to switch windows or open other apps. The AI already sees exactly what you are looking at. So instead of manually feeding information into a tool, you just give it commands and you watch it execute on its own. That shift right there is the entire reason this update matters so much. Here is where things get really interesting. Google completely rebuilt how Gemini lives inside your browser. They replaced that old overlay chat with a clean side panel. It no longer blocks your screen or gets in your way. And this new design changes everything about how the tool works. The first thing to understand is this. Each tab now gets its own dedicated Gemini conversation. So if you are researching something on one tab, that chat stays right there. You move to a different tab and get a completely fresh conversation. This means you can ask Gemini to break down each page you visit, and none of those conversations will interfere with each other. Stay with me because this next part is where it gets even better. You can actually pull multiple tabs into one single conversation. Google built in a way to select specific tabs all at once. Then Gemini pulls information from every single one of them. So picture this for a second. You are doing research across 3 different articles for a client project. Instead of reading all 3 yourself, you tell Gemini to reference them. It puts together a combined breakdown for you in seconds. That kind of multi-source research used to take a lot of manual work. Now it takes almost no time at all. Here's where the email side of things gets really powerful. While you are browsing and find something worth sharing, do not leave your page. You can tell Gemini to draft an email right there in the side panel. It connects to your Gmail and builds the message for you. You review it, make any edits you need, and send it out, all without ever opening Gmail in a separate tab. For anyone handling client communication while researching, that is a huge time saver. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. There were just so many moving pieces to keep track of. But here is the thing. Once you see how it all fits together, it becomes surprisingly simple. Now here is something that completely changes how you handle visuals. Google built Nano Banana Pro directly into this Gemini panel. And this is not just about generating images from scratch. You can actually edit images you find while you are browsing the web. Let us say you are looking at a real estate listing. You want to reimagine the space with completely different furniture. Before this update, you had to download that image first, then upload it somewhere else just to make a single edit. Not anymore. You tell Gemini right there on the page to edit it for you. One quick tip on this though. Make sure you actually use the word edit in your prompt. That small detail is the difference between it working every time and it refusing. Here is the twist that almost nobody is talking about yet. Gemini for Chrome now has a feature called Auto Browse. This is an AI agent that lives right inside your browser. It can navigate websites on your behalf. It can complete online forms for you. It can search for products and work through multi-step tasks, all while you focus on something more important. Now it does move at its own pace, and it will pause at certain steps to ask for your permission. But the core idea is simple. You hand off repetitive web tasks and let the agent take care of them. Most people never realize how much time they lose to repetitive browsing work. Think about what that actually means in practice. Let us say you need to compare pricing across several different software tools. Instead of visiting each website yourself, you give AutoBrowse the task. It navigates through the sites and pulls up the relevant information. You come back and review everything it found. That is real time you just got back in your day. AutoBrowse is built to take exactly that kind of work off your plate. Now let me connect all of this to real value for your business. Think about what this means for a freelancer who does competitive research. Instead of spending hours reading through competitor sites one by one, open the relevant tabs, pull them into a single Gemini conversation, and you get a synthesized report in a fraction of the time. Research deliverables used to take agencies an entire day to produce. Now one person with the right tools can match that output in a single focused session. Or think about a content creator compiling information from multiple sources. With Gemini for Chrome, they pull up all their reference tabs at once. They ask for a combined summary with the key takeaways pulled out, and they have a solid foundation to build on in minutes. That speed is what separates freelancers who scale from those who stay stuck. And for agency owners, think about what this does for client onboarding. When a new client comes on board, you need to understand their industry fast, their competitors, their market positioning, and where the gaps are. With Gemini pulling from multiple tabs at once, that research drops dramatically. What used to take a full day now fits into a focused hour. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training. It covers exactly how to turn tools like this into real income. Here's a quick example of how this all comes together in the real world. Say a freelance marketing consultant just picked up a new client in the wellness space. She needs a competitive breakdown of 5 different brands before Friday. In the past, that would have meant hours of manual research and note-taking, but she opens all 5 brand websites in separate Chrome tabs. She pulls them into one Gemini conversation and asks for a full comparison. Within minutes, she has messaging, pricing, and positioning all laid out. She sends the report to her client that same afternoon. That is the kind of output that builds a reputation fast. Here is one more detail that flew completely under the radar on this update. Inside the Gemini panel in Chrome, there is now an auto model selector. You can set it to auto, and it will pick the right processing level for whatever you are asking. Simple questions get handled by the fastest model. More complex topics get extra thinking power behind them. Advanced tasks like coding get routed to the most capable model available. And here is what makes this a bigger deal than it sounds. This auto option is only available inside the Chrome panel right now. It is not even in the main Gemini app yet. So if you use Chrome, you already have something most people do not have access to. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once this becomes part of your workflow. Every research session becomes faster and sharper. Every client deliverable gets tighter and more polished. And you are doing all of it from the same browser you already use every day. That is real leverage for anyone building a business without a huge budget. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you Go High Level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.